To reserve a study room, go to the MVCC homepage and click on Library in the menu tab. Select Reserve a Study Room in the Services section. Click Reserve a Study Room to continue. You will be redirected to the Search Spaces page where you can search for available bookings that work for you. Just enter a day and 2-hour time slot and hit Search. Once you see a space you want, just hit Book Now. But if you wish to edit your time slot, click on your desired study room and press Change Booking Time. You will see a grid with all the available slots. Anything green is open and anything red is taken. Click on the block of your desired time frame. Once your time has been selected, you can adjust the range in the tab below and press Submit Times. Sign into your account on the organization's login with your full username and password. Once you make it to booking details, fill out your first and last name, phone number, and agree to the study room policies, terms, and conditions. After you're done, hit Submit Booking. Your booking confirmation should appear. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation email in your Moraine Valley inbox. If you wish to cancel your reservation, do it through the link provided.